Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about these tasty and delicious msemmen filled with different vegetables and ground beef. This is a very easy and simple recipe, which doesn't require many ingredients. Enjoy these incredibly yummy msemmen with or without any filling for lunch or dinner. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off by activating the yeast with some sugar and lukewarm water. Right after, add in some butter as well as a spoonful of vinegar and quickly stir everything together. Then sift in the semolina flour, followed by some more lukewarm water and a big pinch of salt. The exact measurements for this recipe will be shown throughout the video. Afterwards, sift in the all-purpose flour as well and a packet of baking powder. Add some skimmed milk powder and a spoon of honey and start kneading the dough by hand with water. Keep adding in either flour or water and some olive oil as shown until the dough is still a bit sticky but doesn't fully stick to your hands. Let it then rest for around an hour. Meanwhile the dough is rising, it's time to prepare the filling for the msemmen. Start by chopping up some onions and garlic cloves and setting them aside for a moment. Now heat up a pan with some sunflower and olive oil and add in some ground beef and the minced garlic cloves. Stir it around and don't forget to season everything as you'd like. As soon as the ground beef looks a bit cooked, add in the chopped onions and jalapenos and leave it to cook covered on medium heat. Then chop up some paprika and add it to the pan as well. Also grate some carrots and mix them in, as well as some tomato sauce, kidney beans, and sweet corn as shown. For a final touch, add some parsley on top. And this is what the veggie beef mixture should look like at the end. Now set it aside to cool down a bit. Now this is what the dough should look like after it has risen. Pour some sunflower oil on the palms of your hands and start forming the dough into even-sized dough balls as shown. After doing that, cover them with some saran wrap and let them rest once again for around 15 minutes. Afterwards, take a dough ball and press it flat on a baking sheet and add a couple spoonfuls of the veggie filling and pinch it shut as shown here. Optionally, you can add some cheese on the inside as well. Repeat that process with the rest of the dough balls. Right before cooking them, press them flat once more until they are no more than a centimeter or less thick. Then heat up a little bit of sunflower oil in a pan and add the msemmen on there. Leave it to cook until golden brown on each side is shown, and repeat that until you've cooked everything. And this is what the msemmen should look like at the end. They should be crispier on the outside and softer on the inside. Enjoy them while they're still warm as lunch or dinner. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.